Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about pronouns with sentences. We, our, us. We are cousins. We always play together. We love cats. These are our cats. Our cats are very cute. The cats are ours. The cats like us very much. The cats play with us. They make us happy. Girl, this is a girl. The girl wears a green dress. She, her, hers. She is my friend. She is kind. She is a good girl. She has cat. She wears pink shoes. Her name is Jan. Her dress is green. Her shoes are pink. Her father gave the dress to her. That is her dress. The dress is hers. The cat is hers. They, them, their. They are Jim and Jan. They are siblings. They like to read. They have many books. Them, their parents buy books for them. Jim and Jan love them very much. This is their book. They like their book. The purple book is theirs. You, you are a girl. You love to sing. You are happy. I like you very much. This is for you. I like your dress. What is your name? That is your cat. The cat is yours. Boy, this is a boy. The boy wears a yellow shirt. His, he, him. His name is John. His shirt is yellow. His shoes are red. The shoes are his. That is his cat. The cat is his. He is my friend. He is kind. He is a good boy. He has a cat. Him, John's father gave him a new red shirt. I like him. He is nice. I am a girl. I love to sing. I am happy. Me, I have a cat. My mother gave it to me. Come and play with me. My name is Teeny. This is my cat. Mine. This orange cat is mine. Never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.